Hey bosses, in this video, you'll learn how to check out a global view of all your orders. Go to the Manage section, and here you will see orders, bookings, and memberships. Orders are all orders that came in through the system, no matter what type of booking it was. Bookings are calendar-based bookings that are based on a time and date, and memberships are your monthly, quarterly, or annual membership payments. Let's look at orders. Here you can view all orders or filter it for a specific member of your team. Here you can filter orders by client's name or email. You can also view orders by date for a specific month, week, or day, and even narrow it down further for a certain team member or client's name or his email or all together. Here's a button if you want to export the data to CSV. Same things with bookings. Here you can filter it by type, whether it is all bookings, solo bookings, group, or round-robin bookings, and again by date, specific team member, or specific client. And absolutely the same thing with memberships. If you want to view all information about any specific order or booking, simply click in this eye icon over here, and it'll take you to all the details about that order. Alright bosses, that's how you get a global view of orders you have.